What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another get ready with me hair tutorial. Now this video is sponsored by Klaiyi hair, and they had the pleasure of sending me their Brazilian straight hair wig in 613 color and 22 inch. So in this video, me and my stylist will be showing you all how we got this lovely, we call this cherry red color. We did do the watercolor method, and this time we actually filmed us actually coloring the hair. So if you guys want to see how we slayed this hairstyle, this wig, then stay tuned and watch the rest of this video. Now this is just some things that came in the box of the package that they sent me. So it came with lashes, wig cap, and etc. Now this is the wig. I'm showing y'all the wig before we actually do the watercolor method. And as the wig did come with combs in the inside, but my stylist had already cut the combs out. So yeah, pretty good wig. Very soft, minimum shedding. Now for the watercolor method, you're going to need a bucket, and the hair dye that we are using is Adore, and it was the 71 Intense Red. Of course, gloves, and of course some boiling hot water. So the water that he got out of the sink, it was very hot. And this is just him pouring the dye into the water. I think he did about 3 bottles. So now he's just dipping the hair into the water, and look how well that color took. And he actually let the wig sit in the water for about 5 minutes, just so the color can really get all over the hair really good. So yeah, this watercolor method definitely was a super success. It was definitely a success, and it came out so pretty. It came out like a pinkish reddish color too. You may not can really tell in the camera, but it definitely had like a pink undertone to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into the styling process. So I'm going to actually fast forward this process, because you guys can just, you know, look and learn, look and watch, or whatever. So don't forget to check my description box for more details and more information on this company. Everything is listed down in my description box. I definitely love this hair. As you will see towards the end of the video, the hair did take really well to heat. It straightened so good, and once you get to the end of the video, you will also see how long this hair is on me. I'm super short. I'm like 5'1", so it was 22 inches, and you know, it was like past my butt crack. So the hair is super long on me, which is not a problem for me because I so love long hair, you know. And this hairstyle definitely was giving me, like, you know, hot girl summer vibes, and I just love red hair. Like, if you know me, you know red hair is my color, period. You already know that's my go-to color. I haven't been red for a minute. I feel like this summer it's time to pop back out. So we back, you know what I'm saying? Red is back, cherry is back, period. So yeah, like I said, definitely check my description box. Let's go ahead and get this video to 100 likes, you guys. Subscribe if you are new to this video, and comment down below what you guys think of this style, and if you like how it came out or whatever. Also, my stylist information is also listed down in the description box, so you guys can also check his page out as well on Instagram.
The lady just so down and scared me.
I'm putting that in the video.
That's how people that least get you. It's just like, where did it go in the front? Like, I'ma get real good at this shit, I promise y'all. I'm still a beginner, that way.
Right. So this is pretty much the finished results. I so love how this came out. It looks so pretty. We did a really good job with this collab. He did another bomb job on my hair. So yeah, let me know what y'all think down in the comments. Let me know how y'all feel about this red on me, how y'all feel about this style. This hair is so bomb. Don't forget to check them out. All information on this company is listed down in my description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check me out on all of my social handles. And right here, you guys can see how long the hair really is on me. As you can see, it is past my crack. Like, it's on my buttocks. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in another video. And I will see you guys in the next one.